Dolly and Friends!
Hello kids,
give us presents that we need.
blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we will.
Ho, ho, ho.
Santa, Santa,
Hello kids,
give us presents that we need.
blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we will.
Ho, ho, ho.
Santa, Santa,
Hello kids,
give us presents that we need.
blow you good, boys and girls.
Yes, we will.
Ho, ho, ho.
I want Santa to send me a unicorn. And I want a hoverboard.
Children, dinner! And don't forget about cookies for Santa.
Yay! You know what'll be great? What? To meet Santa in real life. Yeah, that would be great. I think I've got a plan. Aw, it's not Santa. Hey, it's for Santa!
Santa will not come, but don't worry, your cookies are in safe hands.
Santa's not coming?
The evil snowmen have grabbed the Santa, jailed him, and now are messing up the toy factory.
What? We have to save Santa, and you'll help us.
Oh no, I'm going home. You've run out of cookies anyway.
Are you sure? Send us to the North Pole.
Okay. Don't ever touch the yellow crystals. And if you don't want to die in agony, certainly do not lick them. And don't listen to songs of the North long-eared hares. Horrible creatures. Well, good luck.
out, but I'm sure Santa's over that hill.
I don't think snowmen are hiding Santa in such an obvious place.
Oh, stupid modern gadgets. Hey, here you are. Can you see me? Can you? Listen to me here. Santa's factory is over that high, cold ice mountain. Go fast. Be careful. Clear? See you later.
Wait, what if we...
I can't go any further. Leave me here.
We're almost there. Come on. We have to save Santa.
I'm hungry. Lollipop.
Tommy, wait! Oh, what a pretty bunny!
What happened?
Nothing.
Santa's toy factory.
Watch out! The factory's under the guard.
We have to get inside somehow.
I hear something.
Kids, help! Get me out of here!
Look, the ladder.
Thank you, kids. Thought I'd stay here forever. Don't ever play cards with snowmen. Nasty crooks. It all started as fun and bam! I'm locked in my own dungeon and the witch pig is angry with me. I don't know why.
Well, let's get out of here.
Oh, the presents! The bag is in the factory!
We'll help you bring the presents in your factory back.
But the snowman's guard.
Don't worry, I know a side way. The bag must be somewhere in this room. Oh, here it is.
Wow, my skate!
Cowards, attack me with a crowd. Turn the thermostat. If only I had a chance of a fair battle.
Cowards! Nobody calls me a coward going around.
Did you hear about the thermostat?
Yeah, I think I know where it is.
Oh no!
You can do nothing.
Are you sure? You?
Yeah, it worked.
It's unfair.
We did it!
Yeah, but we can't deliver presents on time. If only the witchy pig was here. Oh, sure, I have her glorious present.
Hooray!
Thank you, my little friends.
Maybe you'll go with us?
Oh, no. I have to clean up the mess left by the snowman gang. And Witch Pig is still angry with me. See you later.
Hello.
Hello? Huh?
Well. Hello. Oh. Wow. Wow. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
throwing garbage,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
stealing candies,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Hee hee hee.
Dolly, Dolly,
Yes, police.
spoiling walls,
No police.
telling lie,
No police.
open wide.
Come on, jump! No, slide down! Jump now! Aww. Okay, now it's my turn. No, mine! You lose! It's mine! Panda, you lost! Give Tommy the phone!
I see. You're having fun here.
No, Panda doesn't want to share the phone! Because it's mine! No, mine!
Enough. What if I give you something you can play all together?
Thanks, but... That was creepy. And this looks creepy, too. Anyway, it's all that we have now. The batteries run out. Okay, we have a game field, some action figures, and a strange plastic castle? Flock, I think? Who will read the rules? I will. Okay. Hey, why are you first again? The rules say that the middle player goes first. Hey, why did you move your figure that far? The rules say that if you rolled a 2, you're moving for 10 steps forward. No, you're cheating again. Give me the book. Happy now? Look what you've done! It's all Tommy's fault. Give me the rules. Great! Now we've lost the rule book. Calm down. If we want to get out, we should stick. I see the way. Together. How do you know that's the right way? Because it's the short way. I'm first. I don't like it here. Did you hear that? Yeah. Panda! Where is Panda? Boo! Panda! It's not funny! Oh, you should have seen your faces. Well, Panda, wanna go first again? No, Tommy will be first. See? A piece of cake. I almost died there. Stop crying, Tommy. I think we are almost done. Kinda safe. What's glittering there? Looks like the final prize. I'm first. Panda, wait! It can be dangerous! You are just jealous that I'm first! Panda! Watch out! We did it!
Wait! What's this?
We need one more heavy thing. No! Don't look at my cup like that! Panda, we have to leave something on the fourth button. Let's leave Tommy. Huh? Panda?
Huh?